Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Welcome everybody. Welcome all new subscribers. Remember to hit that notification bell to all notifications so you can get your videos on time. Okay, and please join the membership for extra perks. Okay, we're gonna have some exciting stuff next year. Today I got an unboxing from Amazon, but this is something that I didn't buy. I got contacted by the Toheto store. If I'm pronouncing correctly, please let me know if I'm correct or incorrect. It's spelled Toheto. Okay, and this is a light lamp. Okay, you know, this is an A4 light lamp, but this is quite a bit of different light lamp. Okay, let me show you. It was well packed. Okay, let me get this out. It comes in this box. Okay, this is a lithium battery light bright pack. Okay, it's an A4. It has uniform luminous, 5-level brightness, slim and portable, soft light eye protection, charging available, and a scale included. Okay, and on the back, as you can see, it comes in different color, but I think that this one is gray, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it says it's over here. Here is the name of the store. Oh, let me get you closer. Oh, let me see if you can. This is how you say it. How you spell it. Toheto Portable A4. Okay, diamond painting. So let's see what is inside. I'm excited for what I saw on Amazon. Okay, let's see. I like the fact that it comes well packed. Okay, let's see what we got over here. We got the Lightpad. Oh, we got a plastic tray with the light pack, so that overprotects it. That's good. That's a big plus. Overprotection, because sometimes they just put that foam in there, and you know. Okay, so we got the Lightpad. It's an A4, so it's one of the small ones. Okay, I like the fact that it doesn't have those creases on it. And then let's get all this out. Okay, then I'll put it back later. I wonder what is this for, but I will not. Oh, this is a pencil for you to draw. Let me put this aside. So we already know that comes well protected. It came very well protected. Okay, so you got the USB cable to recharge, because this is battery operated, and I'm excited about it because when my husband and I sometimes spend the day in bed or half the night or whatever, and he's listening to his sports, and I'm doing craft on bed, so this will be great. Oh my god, it got you. Look at this. We got the pencil because it's for drawing, this light board, but it can be used for diamond painting. You get a sharpener, a pencil sharpener, and you get an eraser. And you get this, which are magnets to hold your paper. Let's take a look at this. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside because the purpose for this, I wanted to show you for diamond painting. Okay, so let's put aside this and let's take a look at it. at the Lightpad. Okay. I got here. Okay, here it is. Okay, we put the protective film from the front, but before I use it, but I'm not gonna do it. Okay, this is a lithium battery, and one of the things that caught my eye is the fact that your on and off button is over here on the side. Let me. It's right here. And that's the same button that you use for, okay. Look at all that brightness. And it's on the side, so nothing is gonna bug you. And not only that, take a look at the side of this. You don't have to be all neck. Usually this is good for people who are, let me show you how sits in here. Let me see if I can move the camera on the side so you will see how it sits. Nope. I'm trying to see. So when you, and that's one of the reasons that I like this, that I'm liking this. First of all, you remember when we are diamond painting and sometimes we grab the diamond painting and we touch by mistake the on and off button that is right here. This one is different. You have it on the side. Here is the first one, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay, let me graph a diamond painting. Let me graph a diamond painting. One that I haven't started yet. Take a look at this. Here it is. You get your diamond painting and you put, oh, this one, I don't think you need clips. Let's check this out. Let's check these magnets because I'm liking this. I'm loving this one. Yeah, they're magnets. Okay. Okay. They hold in there. They hold in here. And they hold in here. Here it is. And your diamond painting doesn't fall. Hold on. Your diamond painting doesn't fall. You see? Oh, this is neat. I love this. I love this. And to those newbies, I encourage you to get this Lightpad. Okay? For started. First, you won't be turning on and off your diamond painting while you're doing, because sometimes we grab things, even though probably this is gonna, if you're working on this side, you might want to move this. Oh, but it's on the corners. Okay, I can see. I can see that. I can see. You might want, let me see with 3. No, it's not gonna fall. Look, it's not gonna fall. So if you're working on this side, you can work on this side and start doing this. Okay? And I love it. I'm loving it. This is something that I definitely gonna recommend, especially on my Facebook group, because I like the fact that it's raised a little bit. Not as much as I would, you know, would like to be able to be raised, but I can use it on my bed, because I have, you can use it on the, if you have laptop bed or art easel that you can raise and you can put it in. So this is so neat. And then you have this to recharge your battery. Let me see if it tells me how long the batteries will last. Okay, here it is. Under normal circumstances, 5 to 6 hours can be used after charging for 2 hours. Okay, so you might want to work on that, and then you go to bed, and then you put it to charge, and the next day, voila, you have the Lightpad ready to do, and you don't have to worry about carrying all those cords and all that stuff all around like I have to do on my bedroom. I have to use my phone charger cord, where I plug it, in order to be able to plug one of the other so this is neat. I'm excited about this, and the fact that the let me try even with only 2 of them. Look, it doesn't fall apart. It move. These will move, of course, the bottom part, but it doesn't come out. You see? I'm using it. I'm not holding anything. I'm using it. I'm moving it. Okay? If I have to go to the bedroom and I have a few drills on there, I'm using it. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. And it's gray, which is out of the usual color black. And we couldn't ask no more. Make sure you don't lose these little things, because then you don't have to use those clips. Okay? Those big clips on it. This is neat. I like this. This is different from what we're used to. Okay? And I definitely recommend it. And the fact that you have the turn on and off button on the side. Oh, I think I'm going to be using it tonight. I'm going to charge it again to charge it, even though it looked like it came charged. But I'm going to charge it to see if I can use it tonight with 30 by 40 that I'm doing. Okay? So I hope you like this. I definitely recommend this, especially when I just tested with diamond paintings, right? Remember, the magnets are workable in the corner. They don't work over here. It will fall. It's right here. And that makes sense, because you don't want anything disturbing, what you're doing, especially when this is for drawing. But with us diamond painting, and as I just show you, I took 2 out, and the diamond paint doesn't fall. Okay? The diamond paint doesn't fall. You know what? Before we finish, I'm gonna move I started this diamond painting. You see, I had to put clips on it to get hold of them. So I'm gonna move this, because this is an A4 too. But look, last night I was turning this on and off. So let me move it over here. Let me take this diamond painting out. Right? And you want to see me using it or trying it with drill to see the heaviness of the drills will make it fall? Let's try that. Let's test that. Because tonight I'm going to be using this. Definitely. Okay, where are my other tools? Oop, you don't go away. Okay. And I'm working, as you can see, from the bottom up. From the top down. Okay. So let's see if this holds with these two in here. Okay. You got this. You got this. We got this. Take a look at it. And it has drills. So the heaviness of the drills doesn't affect it. Take a look at this. Oh, I'm going to be using this one, guys, for tonight. When I do diamond painting at night. This is super neat. Obviously, I will take this one out and this one because I'm working this area over here. So I'll probably double strengthen over here. Oop, they come together. They don't want to be together. Get out of my way. Oh, okay, here it is. I was able to separate them and hold them more in place. But this is neat. Oh my goodness. And it has that, you know, raised things that you can use as your advantage. And then the bottom, the switch is on the side, so it won't bother you. And these two wants to be together. They want to be a couple. Let me separate them a little bit more. So, you know, it seems like, yeah, the magnet is all around here, this area. Okay, that's what the magnets are. I'm probably, let me see, no, not in here, but only on the top and on the bottom part. And that makes sense. That makes completely sense. Because, you know, we're diamond painting. And if you're drawing, you know. And you don't want anything disturbing you. So, again, thank you for watching. I do recommend this one. Okay? Especially for this newbie. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Okay, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for other notifications. Okay, and until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.